up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style.
It's Amazon Prime Day!
I'm very excited.
Except for not for you guys, but for us right now.
You guys are in the future.
Right.
We're in the past.
But hopefully you had an amazing Amazon Prime Day, because Amazon Prime Day is basically like Christmas and your birthday and like every other major holiday all in one.
This is the thing. I didn't know that Amazon Prime Day was a thing. Apparently, I am an Amazon Prime user / holder, and I didn't know that I was paying $119 a year, but that's what I am.
This is why you pay $119 a year, is because for now 2 days out of the year, you get like crazy epic deals.
Why 2 days? What's the other day?
Well, they just had to make it bigger than 1 day because last year they sold $4 billion in sales, so they're like, you know what I'm thinking? Let's make it 10.
Also, if you have Amazon Prime, you can also access a whole like library of movies and TV shows.
Yeah.
I just found that out. I didn't know that was connected. Who knew?
I mean, I knew.
Apparently a lot of people.
Yeah, like everybody knows.
Wait, can we just talk about like how crazy this is? Jill and Bridget have trusted us to go onto Amazon and just put things in our cart.
This is the best day ever.
Well, where do you even start? There's so many things.
I know.
I know where I want to start.
Okay.
Mermaid Tail.
What?
Mermaid Tail.
For swimming?
Oh my God, see?
Okay.
I really want one.
For what?
What do you mean, for
Like
what?
for swimming?
Just to put on.
But like to swim in?
No.
Because this looks like a swim tail. If I go to a pool with you and you start putting on your flipper, I'm gonna laugh.
I don't want it to swim. I just wanted to like take a
Oh, you just
picture.
want to wear it?
Yeah. Look how many
Okay,
there are.
so look, let's go up to the Prime Day deals. But it says mermaid tail for swimming.
Yeah, but you can also just take a picture in it.
That's true.
You know?
I feel like if it's for kids, it's not gonna be that cute.
It's
you
for
know?
kids?
Yeah, it says for girls, boys, kids. Should I type in adult?
Yeah. Look at that one. I want that
That's
one.
pretty. That's not a Prime Day deal, but it's only $19.
Pink or green? Which one? Green's like
This
more
is very
original.
Little Mermaid, right?
Yeah.
But I thought
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm getting that. I gotta do a whole Little Mermaid shoot.
If it's not a Prime Day item, you're not allowed to buy it.
It's Prime, has a little Prime check mark next to it.
it's just a Prime item, but it's not a Prime Day deal.
Can we have a bonus? I feel like these are very like mom-like things. A pot thing. What is that?
Oh, that's an Instant Pot.
What is an Instant Pot?
It like cooks things really fast so that every single white person across America is really obsessed with it right now. But I thought it was called an Insta Pot because I was seeing it all over Instagram, and I was like, oh, it's like some weird like take on Instant Pots, but it's basically a glorified pressure cooker, which like of course I would still use the hell out of it. Okay, go
All
back.
deals?
Yeah, maybe, but like I want to go to like beauty. So go back to the homepage.
Okay.
There we go. Shop by category.
Beauty.
So we got the trash bags are in the wrong category. Oh, it's because it comes with Burt's Bees wipes.
It's a weird combo.
Yeah, it really is.
Look at this mask maker.
Wait, it says scroll up. I want to see what it's called. It says Miss Deer.
Miss Deer.
Facial mask maker machine. Collagen fruit vegetable DIY automatic face mask making with 32 counts collagen pills.
Collagen's good for your face.
Let's buy it.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a fruit facial steamer, the mask
Ooh.
maker, and
Wait, I want a steamer.
so let's add this to the cart. So let's get that steamer, and then let's add this mask maker too, because like we need both, obviously. What else can we get?
I'm stressed. Okay. What's this? The Straightening Brush 2.0 Glam Fields Hair Straightener Iron Brush with double negative ions You know, you should really like make a more concise title. It's kind of a lot. Oh, so when we did the KKW Beauty body makeup,
Yeah.
everybody was like, go try Sally Hansen's because they have something that's similar. So I feel like we should try that.
Ooh, with illuminator. Oh, beige glow, deep glow.
Let's go with Deep Glow.
Okay.
Let's roll the dice. That sounds good. Humidifiers,
No.
brushes.
Goo Goo 3D mink eyelashes, 100% real Siberian, natural, false. Yes.
Let's do it.
Oh my gosh, those
They look a little large.
they look a little ugly.
Oh, just add it. Why
But
not?
whatever, like maybe they're amazing.
What it's glitter jelly. Let's get that.
Okay.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we have like a crap ton of stuff in the cart, and now we just have to wait for our Amazon person to drop it off 3 blocks down.
Including an entire mermaid outfit. Like, who knew?
Eventually.
So we're back.
That was good.
I feel good about it.
Yeah, we just traveled 2 days into the future, but technically we're still in the past, and you're in the future. Mm-hmm. Right.
So we spent in total $337.
But all of our stuff came, and now we have a bunch of stuff to try, and I'm really excited about it because we're gonna be making rice and things.
And we got the tail.
All All right, so for the second year in a row, the Insta Pot, that's actually called an Instant Pot, but I prefer to call it Insta.
They just had to explain to me what it was. I had never heard of an Instant Pot.
Basically, it's a glorified crock pot, and it's so big I have to reposition my entire body.
Did you see that stretch? That was pretty impressive.
Thanks, Aunt.
Crock pot.
But it does come with a handle.
It's a big cooker.
Yeah, so 2 years in a row, and somehow the Instant Pot is still the most popular thing. You know why? Because people are really busy, lazy, and they want to cook things really quickly. So they buy the Insta Pot.
Well, what makes it cook quick? Like you just put it on a
pressure
higher
cooker.
setting?
It's pressure. It cooks with pressure. It's
What
like
is that?
science.
Like
you know?
gravity?
No. Holy shit. Why is it so heavy?
Maybe you should use the handle. Why didn't you use the handle?
I couldn't really grab it.
Look at all the options.
Yeah, 9-in-1, multi-settings.
Rice, multigrain, porridge. Who's eating porridge since like 1765?
Wait, right in, right?
Yeah. Is that enough water, you think?
That's how much Bridget gave us, so.
Okay, then that's enough water. Bridget knows everything.
It's true.
Okay.
I guess
so
we'll find out, right?
While that baby incubates, let's try something else.
Okay.
What's that? It's sparkly.
Eyelashes.
Look how pretty this is.
You should put those on because
Goo Goo
I'm about to get
3D
onto
mink
an
eyelashes.
airplane, so there's no point in me putting them on, you know?
Okay, I'll put them on.
Don't forget your duo.
Maybe not. They're a little long and thick.
I think you'll look really pretty with them, like a Barbie doll.
Thanks. Or like a drag queen.
I just want you to put them on.
Yeah.
That is the thickest
Who are
eyelash
these
I've
for?
ever seen.
It's like a full-blown bush.
Look at this palette. Could you give me a
pretty
mirror
that
as
is.
well?
Yes. A mirror.
A mirror.
Can we just talk about all the glitterness of it all?
So far, this Honest Beauty Wipe looks like any beauty wipe.
Yeah.
I will say it smells really nice.
It smells really good.
Doesn't it smell familiar?
Like baby wipe. That went up my nostril.
I'm sorry. Honestly, this is really pretty. Like, this could be like, I don't know, Halloween, summer.
These are like theater lashes.
You need my help?
Can you blow on it?
There's so much glue on your lid.
Oh my god.
Let me see.
Oh my god. Who is this for? This is literally touching my eyebrow when I open up.
What would you actually use that for?
Ah! We're gonna leave the last one over there. There's glitter over here. What can I put on top of it?
Might as well try 2 colors just to really, you know, get a good idea here.
Glitter jelly.
Working with.
That's so, ooh, it's so pigmented.
I know.
I love that. Who's the brand again?
Findin'.
Findin' Beauty.
Come on, you guys know. It's Findin'. Of course.
We found it.
You think they wanted to sound like Fendi, so they called themselves Findin'?
This is like mermaid glitter. Also, can we talk about how you literally get like a dollop? There's like one little Q-tip worth in there.
Looks like snot.
Wow! Oh my god. God, look how it like changes colors.
Well, I think I look great right now, so.
I think it's pretty actually. I mean, you just put a lot on. Like, you
I
can-
missed up an opportunity to use
Take this off.
this mirror while I did my eyeshadow. But this is actually for your car.
Ooh.
Which, like, literally, what are we encouraging people to do here? This is like, please do a full face of glam in your car while you're driving. But honestly, maybe this is for passenger, you know, passenger side driving.
Oh, duh.
Whoa. What's
Ooh.
next?
Wait, Sinead, Queen of the Fill Tinted Brow Gel.
Ooh, that's good.
My brows are dead.
You don't want to do it, huh? I can do it.
Can I paint you?
Yeah, of course.
This is your typical.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I mean, I like it. I like the way the brush felt. It's nice and firm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I actually do think the color meshes well, which it looks light right there, but it doesn't look light in my brow.
Yeah, it looks good. There is still an eyelash pube in my eye.
Is the rice done?
Is our rice
The
ready?
rice is ready. Can you believe that was only 8 minutes?
Bon appetit. God, you can touch it without burning yourself. Okay, so while we let that cool off, what's next? What can we try?
This is a facial steamer,
Okay.
which, like, you should never steam your face when you have makeup on it, ever, right? Doesn't it, like, soak into your pores?
Yeah, you really shouldn't. It's a bad idea.
But we can do, like, our arms or something.
Yeah. I have to unplug the rice cooker.
Oh, really?
Excuse me. I'll be right back.
Okay. All right, I warned you guys I have period pimples, so you were warned.
Live your life, girl. So many things to percolate. I think the rice might be ready. Should we check?
Careful.
Yeah, it's not. No volcanoes are coming out this time.
You spoke too soon.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. So no one
Oh,
gets burned.
venting.
Oh, you're supposed to do that.
It's like a party!
Like a champagne popper.
Woo!
You know that scene in
Whoa.
Finding Nemo when they're like, hey, ho, ho.
Yeah.
That's what this feels like.
Damn, this is like freaking.
It did it, y'all.
This is like Rachel Ray level stuff right now.
That's some Benihana level right there. Here we go.
I'm scared. It's hot.
Tastes like rice. We did it.
Yeah, fully cooked, perfectly good rice. Are we supposed to put anything else in here?
Nope, just water.
I think more steam's supposed to come out, but
I'm scared. Is it gonna burn my face?
no. It's a little hot.
Ah!
Don't get
What
too
the
close.
heck?
Don't get too
You
close.
touched it, went, no!
Well, it's hot. It's steam. Can you imagine just coming home and someone's like, what are you doing? I'm steaming. Just
Who
relax.
has time for this? Like, let's be real.
I don't know, on the weekends.
You don't have a kid, so it's a little
I
bit
don't have
different.
a
You're
kid.
like, yeah, I just sit there, just, crunch and my steamer. Okay, well, now that my pores are open, let's do that
Ooh,
mask.
yeah, I forgot there was a mask over here. The zombie pack. Step 1, open the zombie pack powder and activator. So we've tried this before on this channel, but it's still super popular because Prime Day boosted it up there and a lot of people bought it. Okay, well we have another mask. I'm gonna whip that out while you do that.
Okay.
This is the automatic fruit mask machine and it's a mask maker. I think the style of machine is very popular. Looks exactly like the steamer. Yeah, I think that's supposed to be like that. It just looks gooey. Water and fruit juice. Okay, so we're gonna put handy dandy fruit juice.
I'm not gonna lie, this is making me a little bit queasy.
Queasy?
Just because it smells like food. It doesn't smell like fruit, it smells like food.
Oh, it does smell like food. That's
You know?
weird.
You know what this is gonna do?
What?
It's gonna make me have that face app filter, but like in real life.
The sad part is that I thought some people were using it when they weren't.
What?
I just got used to seeing it on my feed, and so like when someone posted a selfie, and I was like,
Welcome to use Smart Fruit Facial Mask Machine.
Siri? Would you like watermelon or smooth greens? Watermelon.
Is this real watermelon juice? This
So-
says watermelon juice blend. Those has actual ingredients.
Okay, going in.
What if she was like, yummy.
She might.
She's like,
This is the nutrient solution.
This is wild!
this is crazy. I do like that she talks to you. It's
I
very
love
fancy.
that! Nutrient solution makes it sound so scientific.
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
We don't have collagen, so like that's the only big downfall about this is because this is supposed to come with collagen
Yeah, how come it didn't come with
per
it?
Amazon's advertisements, but it didn't come
It
with
didn't
it.
come with collagen.
Please
That's
add
weird.
know.
collagen peptide.
We don't
and
have
press
it.
start button.
Sorry.
Essentially, this is juice and water. 'Cause we
Please
don't
add
have.
collagen peptide.
Listen, lady, you didn't come with collagen, so what do you expect us to do?
Okay, well, while she heats up, what's this? Oh, it's a straightening brush. God, so many. We're using a lot of power today. Look how pretty it is. I like this, and I like the packaging. I feel like you have to be really careful with
410.
putting this on your hair. Depending on your hair texture, it might, like, take your hair out.
Please wait while processing.
We know.
Is this so you don't burn your hands?
Oh, it's working. Wow.
Is it?
Yeah. I think you definitely should have put some like heat protective spray on
Oh, I
first,
did. Don't
but
worry.
it's- Okay, good.
I have-
It totally worked.
My hair hasn't really been straightened yet because it's only been blow dried. That's why it's like really big. But is it actually straightening it?
Yeah. That's wild.
This could like be a game changer for how long it takes me to do my freaking hair.
Yeah, that looks good. That's
Please wait while
crazy.
processing.
It does kind of smell like it's burning off my head, but like,
But it's like, is it really hot? It did the job though.
Is she ready? Her water just
Please
broke.
put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
The baby's ready.
oh, now you press the button. Okay. It's
the
just
exact
water.
same. Look, see, it's just water.
Oh, because we didn't have the
Collagen, which is not our fault. It did not come with collagen.
So basically,
Switch to clean mode by pressing start button.
listen, woman, you messed this up for us. Okay, this is the moment we've been waiting for.
Sally
Sally
Hansen
Hansen, to really truly see if you guys were right about whether or not this is exactly like the KKW body makeup.
I think I'm gonna like this better because it sprays on.
Oh, and the other one's with the brush, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like really super no hassle.
It's like spray paint. Let's go put some shorts on.
Okay, let's do it.
So we can show the people.
I'm gonna wash this off first, obviously, because
Okay.
I feel like my face is about to fall off my head.
Later.
It's almost the grand finale of this episode, so I'm gonna give you this. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm all zombified now.
Your face looks good.
It feels really smooth, actually.
looks tighter.
Did it take away all my pimples, though?
It took away a lot.
Don't lie to me. So I guess we just spray, right?
I'm scared.
Instantly covers veins, freckles, and imperfections for flawless legs and feet.
I got deep glow.
I got tan glow.
I remember we ordered these really fast. So
Am I okay to just like spray this on the floor?
I'm trying to get on your lip.
That was
Oh,
too
dear
close. I think that was
God.
too close. Just gonna get rid of that one.
Did we get the wrong color?
Yeah. We're good at that. We got the wrong colors.
And look, my stubble is showing right through.
Okay, what's oh shit, didn't mean to do that.
Don't
I don't
touch
think you're supposed
anything. Yo, dude, we are different races. Like, we just became different races.
Okay, but if we were to pretend like this was the correct color, it's not as good as the KKW Beauty.
Well, the KKW Beauty is tough because, like, you actually had time to, like, blend it in. Whereas, like, we don't know what.
Your hair coming?
I'm telling you, it's my effing stubble, yeah?
Holy crap, it looks like ants trapped in milk. Okay, so these aren't our right colors, but Sinead, I have one more little bonus surprise for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Right back.
I literally cannot with this. Also, just note that this wasn't even a Prime Day deal. You just added it to the cart and purchased it.
Live where you are.
Those aren't even the words. Overall, I feel like Amazon Prime Day was a success in terms of how many things we got. It was a total, like, mediocre experience in terms of how much savings we got.
Yeah, we didn't get really
The
insane.
best deal was the Instant Pot, which we got $20 off. It's usually like $90. We got it for like $70.
I think that's pretty good.
It is pretty good, but also like they were advertising up to like 75% off.
Guys, if you got good Prime Day deals, let us know in the comment section below.
And if you guys want to shop any of our products that we got, then you can find all of the links down below. This is so distracting, but I actually kind of like it. If you want to see more like this video, then just click right over here because there's a video right there. And then there should be a subscribe button right down there.
It's over there. I can't, it's hard to speak English now that I'm a fish because we don't speak English under the sea.
Ariel spoke English.
They got a lot of things wrong.
It was English.